I'm Helena with Vyana, and I have a brand new product that's very dear to my heart called VediVahaan, and here is an image for you to see that represents what the meaning of it is. Vedi means altar and Vahaan means vehicle. Basically, alter your ride or alter the path that is ahead of you. And it's something that you hang on the rear view mirror of your car, as well as in a windowsill, on or inside a purse, on a drawer, or anywhere your heart desires. When we look at this image here, what I've tried to put out there is that this is a windshield and this is your view from the car. And being the person in the driver's seat, when you look in the rear view mirror of your past life, you garner all that wisdom and you bring it to that altered state of consciousness in the present here and now. And that altered state of consciousness allows you to move toward the trajectory of your dreams that's past the windshield of your imagination. And so this is what we use as something for you to view and see. And then here are the Vedis here. We also sell these little plackets as well for wholesale. Here's the Om Vedi, and they really come in these sweet little adorable containers that are reusable. I use mine for flax seeds and chia seeds. They have a little moss inside. And here's the lotus and the Om. We'll be hanging them in our car soon so that you can see how you can hang them. And they come with these wonderful little booklets. One booklet tells something about each one in particular, and then there's another general booklet. And they're about 14 pages, and a wonderful gift for yourself or someone that you love, or someone that you know that may have road rage, or they just want to alter their ride. Thank you, and visit us for part 2.